My name is Joy Timmy, metric number 24903, and I will present on the introduction of this assignment. First is the definition of family takaful is a type of Islamic insurance that provides families with financial security in the event of unforeseen events. Family takaful provides protection for people and their beloved ones, ensuring their well-being and financial stability. For the concept, the range of takaful products on offers can be divided into two groups, which are risky products that are designed to protect member security and speculative products with a risk element. As we can see on figure 1, the insurance and takaful sector's profitability decreased due to poorer investment performance in the first half of 2021 compared to the same period in 2020. The overall profitability of insurance and takaful fund decreased. The three objectives of family takaful is: first is promoting regular saving among participants. Second is the participants' money will be invested in ways that aren't offensive to Islam. The third is ensuring the health of participants who pass away before their plans mature are protected by family takaful benefits.
A very good day, Doctor. My name is Xiu Heng. I will present about characteristics of family takaful plan and risk cover under family takaful plan. First one is long-term contracts with usually level contribution. The participant contributions in long-term family takaful contracts stay mostly consistent during the duration of the policy. This indicates that the contribution amount normally doesn't change throughout the year, giving the policyholder a predictable payment structure. Next, observation of the principle of utmost good faith by both parties. Each party signing a family takaful contract must depend on the good faith of the other party that the representations and declarations are true. The third one is unilateral contracts. Family takaful is a unilateral contract with which both the takaful operator and the participants have certain rights and obligations. Furthermore, risk to be covered increase with time. Under family takaful, the cover risk increase with duration of the contract. The longer the duration of the contract, the higher the mortality risk as it increases with age. The last one is termination of contract with payment of a claim. Once the participant receives the claim settlement, the family takaful contract is deemed terminate. The risk that covered under family takaful plan is premature death. When a policyholder passes away during the coverage period of a family takaful plan, the nominated beneficiaries receive a lump sum payment known as a death benefit. This payment helps provide financial support to the family left behind, assisting with immediate expenses, income replacement, debt repayment, and other financial obligations. The second is total and permanent disability. TPD coverage is designed to protect individuals who become completely and permanently disabled due to an accident or illness, rendering them unable to work and earn a regular income. The next point is old age. Some family takaful plans may offer coverage for medical expenses and other related costs that may arise due to age-related illness or conditions. Takaful Term 80 offers a guaranteed coverage on death and total and permanent disability up to age 80. The last one is medical and health with critical illness. This coverage typically reimburses the insured for eligible medical costs such as hospitalization expenses, doctor's consultations, diagnostics tests, surgeries, medications, and other necessary treatments.
Hi, good afternoon, doctor. My name is Bewan. My matching number is 2X766. Today I will present 3.0, issue and challenge of family takaful based on investment and medical product. First issue and challenge of family takaful based on investment is Sharia compliance. Family takaful follow Islamic principle that prohibit certain financial activities such as charging or earning interest. Riba and investing in business they are considered unethical or no compliance with Sharia. So this is the first issue and challenge of family takaful. And next is limited listed investment option. Islamic finance has a narrow range of permissible investment options compared to conventional finance. In a conventional bank, money is treated like a commodity and lent against interest. Products from Islamic bank are usual asset backed and they involve trading asset, lending asset, and participating in profit and loss. The next issue and challenge of family takaful based on investment is risk and return trade-off. Takaful operators need to carefully select investment that provide adequate return without exposing the participant to exceed risk and must require proficiency in maintaining portfolio of investment with following Sharia principle. Investment is about risk-return trade-off, where the higher the risk, the higher the potential reward. Investors need to consider many factors, including overall risk tolerance and ability to replace lost funds and more to calculate a risk trade-off. Next, I will present about issue and challenge of Takaful based on medical product. First issue and challenge is coverage limitation. Takaful policy may not cover certain medical treatment or condition due to Sharia restriction. Coverage limitation in the medical product are challenges of family Takaful in medical coverage, especially for treatment or procedures that may not have Sharia compliance alternative reality available. And the next challenge is underwriting challenge. I think will determine how much contribution a potential participant should make and how much they should obtain during this produce. Evaluating the individual's healthy pre-existing condition and potential claim is essential to ensure pricing and avoid adverse selection through adequate underwriting procedures and our ability to reliable healthy data necessary for this. The third issue and challenge of family takaful based on medical product is regulatory compliance. Family takaful product need to comply with Islamic principle and regulatory bodies, often require oversight from Sharia scholar or committee to ensure compliance. Therefore, the security and complexity of product design, pricing, and investment activity are increased as a result. And the fourth issue and challenge of family takaful based on medical product is awareness and acceptance of customer. Potential customer may not be familiar with Islamic finance concept and takaful product. In order to increase acceptance and adoption, people need to know about the future benefit and Sharia compliance of family takaful product. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.
My name is Vincent Kiu Han, matrix number 2768887. Now I will continue to the next part, which is solution and how to overcome the issues and challenges in family takaful based on investment. The first issue is Sharia compliance. The first solution is riba and is to select compliant investment instruments that are free from interest, such as sukuk, Islamic bond, Islamic mutual funds, and equity-based investment. The second solution is GARA. GARA refers to excessive uncertainty or ambiguity in a contract, which is against Islamic principle. Conventional investment practices may involve speculative or uncertain elements. The third solution is select the option for investment with well-defined terms and clear risk-sharing arrangement. Sharia-compliant investment should be based on real assets of businesses, avoiding speculative ventures that may lead to uncertainty. The second issue is limited listed investment options. The first solution is collaborations with asset management companies. Family takaful provider can collaborate with reputable and experienced asset management companies that specialize in Sharia-compliant investment. The second solution is customized investment products. Family Takaful provider can work with asset manager to create customized investment products specifically tailored to meet the needs of family Takaful funds. The third issue is risk and return trade-off. The first solution is risk management strategy. Family Takaful operator can employ risk management strategy to mitigate potential losses and protect the Takaful fund from adverse market conditions. And the second solution is diversification of investment, which is adopt a well-diversified investment strategy that spread the Takaful fund's assets across various asset classes, industries, and geographical regions. Diversifications help reduce concentrations risk and minimize the impact of a single investment performance on the overall portfolio. And the next part is the solution of the issue and challenges in family Takaful based on medical products. The first issue is underwriting. The first solution is the actuarial expertise and data analytics. Family Takaful operator can employ experienced actuaries and data analysts to assess and analyze medical data efficiently. The second solution is transparent underwriting guidelines. Underwriting can develop clear and transparent underwriting guidelines that are easily understandable to participants. The third solution is strong Sharia governance. Strong Sharia governance can ensure that the underwriting practices are overseen by qualified Sharia scholars to ensure compliance with Islamic principles and ethical standards. And the second issue is regulatory compliance. The first solution is establish strong Sharia governance, which is create a robust Sharia governance framework within the family Takaful organizations. This includes setting up a Sharia supervisory board or committee comprising qualified and reputable Sharia scholars. The second solution is transparency and documentations. To ensure transparent documentation of all product features, pricing mechanisms, and investment strategies, the underwriting process, risk assessment, and pricing decisions should be clearly documented and presented to the Sharia Supervisory Board for review and approval. The last issue is increasing awareness and acceptance. The first solution is public awareness campaigns. Family Takaful operators can launch public awareness campaign to educate the general population about Family Takaful and its benefits. Utilize various media channels, including social media, television, radio, and print, to reach a broader audience and raise awareness about the advantages of Takaful products. The second solution is education program. Family Takaful operator can organize educational programs and workshops that specifically focus on Islamic finance concept and family Takaful. This program can be conducted in collaborations with educational institutions, mosques, community centers, and workplaces to reach different segments of society. That's all from me. Thank you.
A very good day to doctor. My name is Yowenji. My team number is 2X6803. Today I want to present about the recommendation and the conclusion. First is the recommendation. In order to increase the attractiveness of family Takaful product, there are some recommendations for Takaful operator and Takaful company. The first recommendation is to increase investor education and awareness. So, the Takaful operator can invest in educational activity and seminar to inform their customer about the principle and advantage of Islamic insurance. The second recommendation is to diversify investment option. This because different investment can attract different customer. The third recommendation is to advance technology. This is because Takaful operator can adopt digital technology to simplify the Takaful business. So, by applying this recommendation, the family Takaful sector can attract more customers and increase its market share. Next is the conclusion. So we can know that the purpose of family Takaful is to provide financial protection for the family in case of an unforeseen situation. We also can know family Takaful can be categorized into two types, which are protective Takaful product and speculative Takaful product. Besides that, We also know family takafu have 3 objectives and 5 characteristics. We also can know the challenge family takafu face and the solution of the problem. For example, the challenge of customer awareness and acceptance. This is because customers may not be familiar with Islamic financial concept and takafu product. Therefore, they may refuse to purchase family takafu. So the ways to solve this problem is family takafu operator can conduct public awareness campaigns to inform the public about family takafu and its benefit. So, takafu operator can use various media channels, including social media and television, to raise awareness of the benefit of takafu product. So, this is the example of challenge and the solution. So, we can know there are many issues and challenges facing by family takafu, but this problem can be solved. Although the benefits of family takafu are not as high as those of traditional insurance, but family takafu is safe than traditional insurance. Therefore, people can learn about and purchase family takafu insurance. This is because participation can get stable and reliable protection. And that's all for our group presentation. Thank you.